In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add an accountant to your QuickBooks account. Whether you're a small business owner or just managing personal finances, bringing a professional on board can be a game changer in keeping your bookkeeping in top shape. To get started, you'll want to open up QuickBooks. If you're new here, QuickBooks is a user-friendly financial management tool designed to help you stay on top of your accounting tasks. It's highly trusted by businesses and individuals alike. Once you have QuickBooks up on your screen, draw your attention to the left-hand navigation menu where you'll find a tab labeled My Accountant. Click on it. This section allows you to manage the accounting professionals who have access to your financial data. Make sure you have a secure internet connection to ensure that all transactions and updates are conducted safely. Once on the My Accountant page, you'll see an option to add another accountant displayed clearly on the screen. Clicking this will kick off the process of inviting an accountant to your QuickBooks account. This is a helpful feature in QuickBooks, providing the flexibility to collaborate with multiple accountants if needed. It's perfect, especially if you have separate accountants for various aspects of your finances. Next, navigate to the Accounting Firms section. This is where the magic happens as you manage the firms or individual accountants you collaborate with. Ensure that you have the correct information ready for the accountant you wish to add. You wouldn't want to send an invite to the wrong person, right? Click on Invite to proceed. This is a key step as it actually sends an invitation to the accountant, granting them access to your financial data on QuickBooks. You'll be asked to enter the accountant's email address and possibly some other basic information to complete the invitation. Once the invitation is sent, the accountant will receive an email notification prompting them to accept the invite. Remind them to check their email to ensure they haven't missed the notification, as it can sometimes land in the spam folder. Once they accept, they'll have access to your QuickBooks account and can start working their magic. Adding an accountant to your QuickBooks account is straightforward but crucial in managing your finances efficiently. With these steps completed, you'll be better positioned to collaborate with your accountant, receive timely advice, and enjoy the peace of mind that your finances are in good hands. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the QuickBooks support team for assistance. They are always ready to help you navigate through any roadblocks you might face. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.